Switzerland is a confederation of 26 cantons, similar in structure to a federal republic. Ratified in 1848, the Swiss federal constitution formalized democracy that had been in place since the late 13th century. Unlike the representative political system of the United States, Switzerland is a direct democracy. This means Swiss citizens have more power to directly affect laws and constitutional amendments through popular initiative and majority decision. The political system in Switzerland is comprised of three branches of government: executive, legislative, and judicial. The executive branch includes 7 equal members of the Federal Council. While Switzerland does have a president, Doris Leuthard, the role is mostly ceremonial and described as the first among equals. Each of the 7 members, elected by the legislative branch's Federal Assembly, rotate serving a 1-year term as president. Members of the 2-chamber Federal Assembly are elected by majority vote and serve 4-year terms. The Federal Supreme Court is Switzerland's highest court of the judicial branch. Judges are elected by the Federal Assembly and serve 6-year terms. Switzerland is a free country with a consistent freedom aggregate score of 96 or higher over the last 14 years. A 2-year downward trend between 2008 and 2010 exists due to electoral gains of the anti-immigrant Swiss People's Party. As you can see, the downward trend has leveled out and Switzerland scores higher than the also free United States, which is still in decline. Corruption in Switzerland is not an impediment to businesses. Switzerland ranks 5th overall in cleanest countries as compared to the United States at 18. While the overall corruption perception index for Switzerland remains high, there is slight concern for possible corruption in the banking sector. Lenient monitoring of financial institutions makes the possibility of financial crimes such as money laundering and tax evasion easier for corrupt business people. Switzerland has a strong rule of law perception. Property rights are protected, contracts and rules are binding, and the judicial systems are considered fair.